Welcome to this video where we'll explore one of the most common questions in SQL. How to use group by or order by in a union select query. If you've ever tried to combine data from multiple tables and then sort or group that combined data, you might have encountered some challenges. This topic is important because it's a fundamental aspect of working with databases, and understanding how to properly structure your queries can save you a lot of time and frustration. In this video, we'll break down the concepts involved in using group by or order by with union select queries. We'll cover why these clauses are essential for manipulating data, provide examples to illustrate key points, and discuss best practices for implementing them effectively. By the end of this discussion, you should have a clear understanding of how to approach grouping or ordering your results when combining datasets. To begin with, let's understand what each of these clauses does individually. The union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. Each select statement within union must have the same number of columns, and the columns must be of similar data type. However, when you want to group this combined data by certain criteria or order it in a specific way, that's where group by and order by come into play. Group by is used to group rows that have the same values in the specified column as. This clause is often used with aggregate functions like sum, avg, max, min, count, etc. to perform operations on each group of rows. For instance, if you wanted to see the total sales by region from two different tables, you'd use a union select query and then apply group by based on the region column. Order by, on the other hand, is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. It's straightforward when dealing with a single table, but can get tricky with union select queries, because each select statement within the union might have its own order by clause, which could lead to unexpected results if not handled correctly. When combining these concepts with a union query, it's essential to remember that you can only apply group by or order by once at the end of the entire union query. If you try to use these clauses after each select statement within the union, you might get an error or unintended behavior. Here's how you would approach this first. Define your select statements as usual, ensuring they are compatible for a union operation. Then, wrap the entire union query in parentheses, if necessary, and apply the group by clause followed by order by at the very end of the statement. The union operator combines data from two or more tables, but requires careful handling when grouping or ordering. Group by is used for aggregating similar rows together based on certain criteria, often in conjunction with aggregate functions. Order by sorts the result set, and its placement within a query can significantly affect the outcome, especially with union queries. When using group by or order by with union select queries, apply these clauses at the end of the entire statement to ensure a correct result. In effectively using group by or order by in a union select query requires a clear understanding of how each clause functions and how they interact when combining data from multiple tables. By following the guidelines outlined in this video and practicing with your own scenarios, you'll become more proficient in crafting SQL queries that yield exactly what you need. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with union select queries, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped clarify these concepts for you. And consider subscribing for more content aimed at helping you master SQL and database management. Thanks for watching.